Hey everyone, back for more fun with kayaks. I just started work today, well actually yesterday, on kayak number 2. Let me turn it around and explain it to you. See if this thing flips. No, I got it. Okay, scene 3. This is kayak number 2 that I got at the same time I purchased kayak number 1, if you've been watching those videos. This one was all varnish. And the bottom and sides were fiberglass over varnish. Varnish over fiberglass. And it's in better shape than the other one in many ways. Some ways it's not, but I think I'm just going to paint the top because it's in good shape. The other one, the wood was starting to get affected by the water, so I wanted it covered with fiberglass. This one I'm going to clean up real good, and I'm just going to paint it. The bottom is a little different. It's got a few spots on it. You can see wherever it's light colored fiberglass like that, it usually means the water got behind it. So there's a few places, but overall, this one is much more weather tight than the other one was. And it's got some really bad epoxy spots that somebody just kind of watered it on there. I can fix that pretty easy though. But I think this one probably take half the time the other one did or less. And right today I'm going to sand it on the top, turn it over, check out the bottom with what time I have left. And I'll show you what's going on in here. This one will be ready to paint, I think, by the end of the day. I use filler all over it. This is gonna sand all off, make a nice smooth finish. That's the plan anyway. Sides and bottom are done. This has got epoxy paint on it. I might put topside urethane paint on here. I think I will. Finish coat, I'll probably use Rust-Oleum oil-based paint because I want to paint some designs. And you don't need expensive paint for your finish coat. You just want to seal the wood up really, really good. I gotta do the urethane on the inside. So you can see this one took a lot more work because the wood on it. It was still in good shape, but I felt that it deserved a really good cover. You can refer to all the other videos in this one if you want to see what I did, but it's wrapped in fiberglass now and epoxy. It is a sealed piece of work, and it's going to be ready on the outside at least in a couple days. And the mess built up over here. But we're looking good, I think. Took a while. I didn't work at it all at once because I had things like this cabinet to work on here. And then I restored this chair over here, the Windsor chair. You got to do a little painting work to support this other thing while you're doing it. And I sold another boat the other day that I fixed up a few years ago. There is a video on that, I think, on this web channel, so look for that. It was a John boat. It was a launch video on that. We enjoyed that for a few years, but we didn't use it much anymore, and I thought it was time to go. So now we're doing these kayaks, and who knows what's next. If you got any free boats and you live here near Addison County, Vermont, and they are worth fixing, call me up, text, email, carrier pigeon, let me know. I'll fix them up for a fee, or you can turn them over to me and I will do something interesting with them, fix them up, restore them, and sell them off to somebody who could really enjoy them. That's my wrap for today. See you soon.